तापसी के बाद अब भूमि ने दिया शॉकिंग बयान, कंगना की बहन को दिया करारा जवाब। चलिए बताते हैं आपको कि भूमि पेडनेकर का क्या कहना है इस पूरे मांजरे के बारे में। सांड की आंख वाली कंट्रोवर्सी सिर्फ बढ़ती ही जा रही है। रंगोली और नीना गुप्ता के स्टेटमेंट्स के बाद तापसी पन्नू ने दिया था इन स्टार्स को करारा जवाब, और अब तापसी की को स्टार भूमि पेडनेकर का भी आया है बयान सामने। इस पूरे इशू पर रिएक्ट करते हुए भूमि ने कहा, I'll tell you what, I'm glad that they didn't because I got to play this character. But I do feel that that's something that the maker should comment on. Tushar's been trying to make this film for 4 years and he finally came to Tapsi and me after 4 years and that's when this film happened. So I'm sure he's done the round. I know he's gone everywhere, but again I'm not really going to dwell into it. That's been his journey and he should discuss it. वही आपको बता दे कि तापसी ने इस बारे में रिएक्ट करते हुए कहा था, I just wonder, do we ever want to embrace the positivity or just keep latching onto negativity and glorifying it to save our lack of risk-taking tendencies? Have we really lost the shoulder along with our spine to support people who venture out of their comfort zone to bring about a change? Or it's just reserved for two females who at relatively nascent stage of their career venture out to do something, which we were told most of the people turned down. I just wonder, did we ask the same question when we all loved what Anupam Kher did in Saransh? Did we question when Nargis Dutt played mother to Sunil Dutt? Did we question John Travolta for playing a woman in Hairspray? Did we question Eddie Murphy for playing a white Jewish man in Coming to America? Did we question when Amir Khan played a college kid in Three Idiots? And in the future, are we going to question Ayushmann Khurrana for playing a gay man in Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan? All these lovely allegations and questions are reserved only for us. Well, even if it is, we thank you from the bottom of our heart for noticing our little effort to bring to you something new, something different, something you all want to comment on, something you all want to attach yourself to, be it in any way, and something that attracted your attention. After all, cinema is also about thought. Let's keep the discussion going and hope your questions will be answered and doubts will be cleared this Diwali. क्योंकि हम तो आ रहे हैं इस बार पटाखे नहीं गोलियां बरसाने। Thank you for all the love and attention you have bestowed upon our small film with big heart. Well, इन बिगड़ती हालातों को देखकर नीना गुप्ता ने इस मैटर को खत्म करने के लिए एक ट्वीट किया और लिखा, I like the trailer सांड की आँख and I have great respect for both the actors भूमि पेडनेकर, तापसी पन्नू. चलो let's wish the film good luck also to Anurag Kashyap who I am very fond of. चलो अपना टाइम आएगा। अब आप हमें कमेंट करिए बताएं कि आपका क्या कहना है इस पूरे मांजरे के बारे में। Do let us know in the comment section below. Also do like, follow and subscribe to Bollywood Now on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.
Primarily it started with the fact that मेरे को यार एक ऐसी पिक्चर करनी थी जिसमें दो हीरोइनें साथ में इक्वल रोल करें एक बार. I really wanted to do that.